Hey, what's good, guys? It's Tyson with you. Back in another training video. Wanted to show you guys some footage of some of my exercises I'm doing. So we're going to start off. I'm going to show you an awesome leg exercise. It's going to build the teardrop muscle right above your knee beautifully. So let me show you this one. This is a Bulgarian split squats. I'm just going to use a chair about knee height. I got a 15-pound dumbbell here. Just gonna go ahead and get a nice little stance like I'm gonna lunge. Alright, top foot in the chair, dumbbell in hand, nice and low. Doing slow tempo on the way down. Slow it up, 4. Great exercise for stability, lower body strength, core control. Got 3 more. Great exercise. 11. Don't fall. The key here is to not use your back leg as much as possible. That's only for stability and balance. Alright, guys. I'm going to hit the other leg. Give this one a shot. Want to keep this video short for you. Take care. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.